These are the UPVC ready-made windows, and that's the sizing. Awning is only available in 60 by 60 cm. The casement is only available in 120 by 120 cm. And the sliding is available in 60 by 60, 90 by 80, 120 by 120, 120 by 160, 60 by 80, 120 by 80, and 120 by 140. So to give you an idea, the 60 by 60 with screen, that's the price. UPVC window by Buena Vista. This is the awning windows. The awning window is the same price, 21110. And this is the PBC window. Price for UPVC ready-made windows, 120 by 120 with casement and with screen is 5980. So that one is just wrapped at the same size, 120 by 120. The other sizes is to be ordered. They also have the design Kraft French window made of hardwood. The pricing is there. The 350 by 1200 is 612 each. 350 by 1200. So 450 by 120 is 533. So that's the 612 each. Buena Vista also they're more known for their steel casement window. The 1.2 by 1.2 steel casement, that's 4,320. This 1.2 by 1.6 without design, those curly cement, it's already with jam. All these windows have jam. The without the design is 5760. The design one is 6624. And these are the actual pricing. 120 by 18 by 80 is 2880. 120 by 160, 6224. This is 60 by 60 is 1440. Next is the (1.2) by 1.2 540, and that's 90 cm by 80 cm to 160. 180 by 120, 6480. 120 by 120. There, this is the different size price and the different price. But you can see the designs. That one 6 panels. This is 120 by 180. Is 6480. It's 120 by 120. 2-panel window, 4320. The decorative type, what I mean is have this curly thing. 2 panels, 120 by 160 is 6624. They also got window grills. They're 90 by 70. It's 1165. The steel casement window, 60 by 60 mm, 1080.